Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Osaka Museum of Housing and Living. The Osaka Museum of Housing and Living is on the 8th to 10th floors of a building along the Tenjinbashisuji shopping street in Osaka. It's a unique museum where you can experience how the city and daily life changed from the Edo period to the Meiji, Taisho, and Showa eras. On the 9th floor, you can walk through a full-size, carefully recreated townscape from the late Edo period around the Tenpo area, 1913 to 1944. The street is lined with merchant houses, a public bus house, and a fire watch tower. 45-minute cycle compresses a full day into one visit. The sky slowly glows up bright and then dark, and lanterns light up in the evening. It feels like a real trip back in time. On the 8th floor, you can see the modern Osaka of the Meiji, Taisho, and Showa periods through the details, dioramas, and video displays. It's a great way to understand how life and the city changed over time. You can also rent a kimono or a yukata and walk through the Edo era street. Its kimono experience is popular and it's a great spot for photos. Volunteer guides called Machiyashu are also arrived, so first-time visitors can feel at ease. To get there, take the Osaka Metro Tanimachi line, Sakai-Suji line, or Hankyu line to Tenmabashisuji Rokuchome station. Exit 3rd connect directly to the museum. The museum is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a late entry at 4:30 p.m. It is closed on Tuesdays and admission is 600 yen for adults. Please note that the museum is scheduled to close for renovation work from September 1st to December 31st, 2026. So it's a good idea to check the latest information before you visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.